Super T is JSL cutting-edge evolution regarding our vast fixing materials range. This new series presents a modern design focused on increasing functionality and versatility. The truncated design is inspired by the knowledge in the field of construction and engineering, which lead us to design a saddle with a body structure similar to structures constructed using T-beams. So the Super T body structure is based on the T-beam concept, a validated design regarding its resistance to different forces such as traction, tension, and compression. Whenever the saddle is required to respond to these forces, the material in these areas is highly effective and reliable. Super T series references: ST16, ST20, ST25, ST32 and ST40. This line is also stackable. And by stackability, we also mean retrocompatibility with the previous series. These saddles are also fitable in metal rails. ST cover, clip, and lock. This clip and lock cover can guarantee the non-removal of the conduits when the installation is reachable by hand. The lock of the cover is tightened as the conduit is pulled outwards. This results in a saddle arm's expansion in opposite directions as the installation remains firmly secured. Compatible dowels and fixing accessories: PSD4, PSD6, PSDB4, PSDB6, ST base, Pst Clip, 215 and BM6. The PSDB4 and PSDB7 offer the possibility of multiple positions, relying on micro-adjustment with 10 micro-steps, in order to correct any tube installation deviations. This is achieved by the built-in micro-adjustment slider that counts with 10 different micro-steps, allowing the installer to adjust the saddle for deviations in the grand total of 1 centimeter. Extra clipping grip. Allowing the base of the dowels to bend a couple of millimeters causes opposite forces on the clipping areas when the saddle is being fixed. The grips lock even tighter, adding an extra amount of clipping pressure. The PSDB4 and PSDB7 are also fitted to receive cable ties with their built-in slot. More specifically, the cable tie 467, PSD5 and PSD7. These dowels offer one position when installing the saddles. In the case of installations on isolated plaster walls, for instance walls isolated using wall mate, the PSD7 is better and more suited. Its longer measure can easily penetrate the 3 layers to get a permanent grip on the last layer. The dowels PSD5 and PSD7 are also suited for installing the JSL Boxline series onto the concrete. This way, it's possible to avoid the use of metal screws. 215. The 215 offers one central position when installing the saddles. The Dowel 215 is a good choice when the installation demands an extra secure grip. This dowel expands as the screw is turned and pushed in the substrate, ensuring that the dowel is permanently secured onto the wall. ST base. JSL offers yet another solution for the fixing of cables or conduits, using only a small thin plastic base. The ST base is intended to be used with nail glue, and can be glued onto almost any surface, allowing a very cost-effective versatile installation. The Pst Clip is the most cost-effective solution for the fixing cables or tubes onto metal plates or cable trays. This clip is also composed by a small triangular-shaped retractable harpoon that after entering the hole will snap back to its original position, securing the clip onto the cable tray. The clip can be used on metal plate profiles with measures ranging from 0.6 up to 1.2 millimeters. Also fitted to receive cable ties, and uses a micro-adjustment slider. The 903 steel plug is a fast and reliable installation choice. It's intended to be used with a concrete nail gun, allowing for a fast and permanent installation. The saddle can be installed just by screwing it into the plug till it gets tightly secured. On the other hand, we also offer a plastic dowel alternative. The BM6 is equipped with several harpoon-shaped claws. You can adjust this dowel in 3 different positions to correct any eventual deviations.